Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the most requested video, that is how to bake terracotta jewellery at home. After making the jewellery pieces, I let it dry for minimum 4 days at room temperature. So in my upcoming videos you will be seeing the making of these chokers and earrings. In my previous videos, I have received lots of comments regarding baking, so I have made this video with detailed explanation. So for baking, I have taken a heavy bottom kadai. This I have been using for more than 3 years. And this is the sawdust. Using this sawdust, we are going to bake the jewellery. First start placing a thick layer of sawdust, then place the jewellery on it. So while placing the jewellery, always keep the heavy jewellery pieces at the bottom, and then in the second layer you can place the light-weighted jewellery pieces like beads and earrings. So in the first layer I have kept the jhumkas and the beads, and now I'll close it with a layer of sawdust. So here comes the second layer. There is a small earrings and the small beads. So finally cover it with good amount of sawdust. So for this process I am going to use my gas stove. So initially when you start the process of baking, you keep the flame in high. After 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you can see the sawdust turning black at the corners. At this stage, you just reduce the flame to medium. In this process of baking, you will get lot of smoke, so always make sure that you keep your doors and windows open before you start this process. So when the entire sawdust turned black, you just switch off the flame and keep it aside. Do not disturb this for 4 to 5 hours. So once this reaches the room temperature, you can remove the jewellery pieces from it. See how beautifully it has turned black. So this is a method which I am following for more than 3 years and this works for me. So hope I have given a detailed explanation about baking. If you have any doubts, you can share it in the comment section. Hope you all like the video. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.